Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fuller from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 5th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Another win for the bulls today. 29 out of the 30 Dow components closed higher today. The only one underwater, I believe, was Nike, but another strong day for the Dow and the equity market overall. The Dow up 336 points, while the S&P 500 was up almost 30 points. Here, another nice rebound, nice big day. Nasdaq up another 72 points, while the Russell was up almost 13. So nice follow-through day here as well after that big reversal here on Friday. Now, TLT today remains under pressure, giving up here another 32 cents, closing at 118.03. The 10-year Treasury Note, the yield was at 2.883, still under that 3% mark, that manageable psychological level for this market. Gold today down slightly, down just 2.5 points, while crude had a big day, up $1.36 or 2.24% today. A real nice rebound here. And remember, the weekly chart looks beautiful. And the formation here is fantastic. And if we get above these highs here just above 66, I think we have another run coming here in crude. And the US dollar today up huge against the CAD. This was a big move, overcoming this level of resistance here, and against a basket of 6 other currencies, the dollar index here also managing to hold that 20-period moving average. That is very important. And next thing we want to see is for it to get above 91 here. That, I think, will cause a nice run. But for now, holding that 20 is very important. Now, we've talked about volatility in the past, and if you look at the amount of volatility here since Feb 1st, okay, I mean, look at the formation of these candles all year long, and then at Feb 1st here, boom, everything just goes out of whack, and we see huge candles like we haven't seen in a long time. And this could be a nightmare for swing traders, but for day traders, it's a huge opportunity. We've talked about this in the past. It is very simple. All you have to do is move to a lower time frame chart. I'm going to go down to a 1 minute, zoom in on today's action, and all you have to do is wait out the first hour and then mark the highest level throughout that first hour. So we're talking about 9:30. It wasn't even that high, actually. Let me get rid of that and mark, let's see. So these were the lows here for sure. And 10:30, yeah, so this was the range in here from high to low, from 9:30 to 10:30. So the first hour of the market. And once you break out, you pretty much almost always spend the rest of the day going in that direction. And have a look at this. We break out, we come back to retest it, and then off we go. And it was just easy setup after easy setup all day long. Just beautiful opportunities. That's the SPY. You can look at the Qs here. Just about anything you traded today. Here, let's look at there's Monday's action. And again, we want to mark the high. There's 10:30. Yeah, so the high was up here and the low was here. Right? Once we break out, any pullback is a buying opportunity all day long. And even individual stocks, whether you're talking about Amazon, Netflix, you name it, whatever it is that you prefer to day trade, just a fantastic day for that. Mark that low from that 9:30 to 10:30 period and mark the high. There's 10:30. It would have been around here, right? You break out of there and off it goes. Netflix was the same. Many of them out there. So pay attention to that. if you're in front of your screens and you see that we're going to have in that first hour, you see a lot of activity like we've seen lately, and that volatility is going to continue. Mark the high and the low, and whichever way you break, you're pretty much going to spend the rest of the day going in that direction. And then all you have to do is wait for those pullbacks and find those entries. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.